What's up? That was Nas. That track was called One Love. It's off one of the best albums of all time. That's the album there. The album's called Illmatic. If you haven't got it, get it. It's the baddest album. But then on to bigger and better things. Go that way, bro.
That's your favourite, right?
That is my philosophy.
That is genuinely his favourite. I have some guests in the studio. Kia ora, bro. Welcome. Malo. Talofa. Welcome to Wrekognize. This is Johnny Sagala and my man Santan from the Lost Tribe. Now, these guys have a song that's on the charts right now. They're homegrown local brothers. And yeah, welcome to the Wreck.
It's good to be here, bro.
Yeah. Well, let's get straight into it. Tell me why the name The Lost Tribe?
Lost Tribe. Because Santan's gonna explain.
It's like Lost Tribe, totally opposite to what we really are. We're like, we just found in amongst a whole bunch of lost tribes out there. We're like Samoan, Tongan, and there's Niuean and Rarotonga. And there's a lot of kids out there hanging out together in those little bunches, and they represent all the lost tribe. And it's like, we're on this land, it's not even ours, and it's like, we still call it home, and that's where we're from the islands, come to another island.
It's like what summer and the winter is, like for us, coming from a different island, like our parents came from Samoa, Tonga and all that, came to this land, and then all conflicts because of lack of communication. People didn't know how to speak English, but we're the baby boom. Had schools, fortunate to go to schools and get education and learn to speak English, spoken language for us to have a communicate for together. Sitting in a couch and Wrekognize, talk to a Maori, Tonga and a Samoa. And so because of that, we all get together and then we start siphoning out, so what are you about, bro? I love my family, love my mom and dad. How about you? Oh yeah, I love my mom and dad as well. Do you believe in respect? Oh yeah, I believe in respect. Oh, that's good, man. And we can both learn off that, and then next thing you know, we're friends.
And we're the Found Tribe. Yeah. We're gonna cut to a video right now. This is Summer of the Winter by The Lost Tribe.
That was Summer in the Winter.
Lost Tribe.
And what's up?
More of us coming up later. Stay tuned. Coming up the break, Ice Cube with The World Is Mine.
Yeah, welcome back to Wrekognize. See these? Not the records, the players. That's a Vestex 06 Pro. These are state-of-the-art hip-hop mixers. These are not disco mixers made for DJs, these are hip-hop mixers. You can win these three babies here. This is about 2.5 G's worth, quite a lot, for entering our competition of making a 30-second ad for Wrekognize. Now, it's a freestyle rhyme, bigging up me and Phil, with no cussing, all right? You can have these. Now, the addresses are going to appear on the screen like that, and then you gain over there.
What's up? In the house, I have another 2/5 of the Lost Tribe. What's up?
What's up?
KD.
Brother D in the house. Sir-vere, DRT.
Hey, now, before we forget, the last fifth is not here today. That's DJ Fingers, right?
Fingers. He's playing rugby league in the Polynesian Cup with, for Niue, so much love to the Niue team.
Yeah, man, that's cool. Yeehaw. No, this show was broadcasted nationally, so a lot of guys from maybe South Island might not know much about you guys. So do you want to just give us a quick rundown of how long you've been together? Because you had a couple of lineup changes as well, haven't you? Do you want to run that down for us, mate?
Lost Tribe,
about a year and a half now.
Yep.
Total consists of 6 members, but one's on his walk.
Yep.
And
Brother Sinbad, he's gone, he's doing his walk in life. So peace to you, brother. And that's where we be blessed with Kendo.
Yeah.
All the way from Cook Island.
Now, when you go on tour down the line and stuff, you take the whole tribe. The UPR is more than just a label; it's more like a family, right? Yeah. Tell us about that, man.
Urban Pacifica Records is just all family orientated. Our sisters Moisna, who break the charts, aka Brown, Dehamo. There's a lot of other young fellas coming up through as well. But that's what we want to bring to the industry with UPR, with my man Phil, Flipside Fuimana.
Yeah. What's up, Phil? What's up, man? Anyway, we're gonna go digging. This is Cool G Rap and Polo. This track's called Road to the Riches. Check it out.
Uncle G Rap.
Blow. Welcome back. That was Big Daddy Kane. And KD, what's up next?
Coming up next, you're gonna have a real ingredient spicy spice block from the Wrekognize chef from the Wu-Tang Clan, Glacier of Ice.
Hey, welcome back. I just got some letters here. I just want to say hello to some people. This is to the Wrekognize crew. Favorite Wu-Tang songs, Method Man, Release Your Doubt, and all that. This is from Simone and Di, the sub-cousins. We just say hello to their phone owners here. Jordan, Fraser, Kurt, Mum and Dad, Hannah, Pauline, Caroline, Charlotte, Mike, Shona, and Santana Tua, and get a bigger piece of paper. This one here, this is this guy's letter. This, I love you, sir-vere. He's right. This guy thinks Incarcerated Scarface is his favorite track. So he's down with the Cuban links along with my man over here. Frey Kwan, that's taking a little bit too far, brother. This one here, DLT and sir-vere, this is good. This person here likes the local videos. Ha, that's all good. And they also say a couple of shout outs to Betty Lee, Aaron, Wee, Fred, Matthew, Isaac, Kim, Baldy, Daniel, and the rest of the guys in 6th rec class at Taita College, Stokes Valley. Sup? Sup? That's from Ray Gray, and he likes to inspect the deck. Now, we're here with our guest. This is Johnny Sagala. This brother has been around the Auckland hip-hop scene since I got here. That was in 1987, and I saw you and your brother then, when you were still going to college and stuff, eh?
Yep,
Pacific and Descendants?
Pacific and Descendants, for that Enemy Productions. Remember we came up with that song called Stop Tagging, and you were like,
Stop nagging. Stop nagging.
Stop nagging. Yeah, that was our key.
I got that record at home.
Have you?
You can get that stuff on wax if you're a vinyl junkie. You can find these songs. I've also got semi-MCs and all that stuff.
Yeah, semi-MCs.
I remember when you danced on a video of me.
That's right.
Do it like this. Do the Running Man on Queen Street, man. It's crazy.
Syndicate Steppers as well.
Yeah.
JB.
Those are good days. About the main point, what happened there? How did you get a single and a song out with no deal?
No deal.
Did you have a deal?
Yeah, we had a deal with Public Pacific.
Do they exist anymore?
No, they.
Well, let's not go there. It's like talking about something that didn't happen.
Yeah. But what's up to money? Yeah.
But that video is the bomb, man.
Thank you very much.
Much props for that video. That's a good interpretation of lifestyle from the deep south.
Yeah, where I live.
We're gonna cut to that video now.
Hey, we gotta get out of here. I just want to say that guy from Mangere Bridge is right, by the way.
What?
About Wrekognize.
Oh, that's all good.
What's up to all the boys down in Waikaria, Brother John, Lee, the surveyor, and all the boys down there. Peace, one love. Thanks for supporting our stuff. Everybody nationwide, all the Polynesians in New Zealand, Aotearoa,
Wellington.
Thank you very much.
Phil Starlarita, They Humble, Son and Fuds. What's up to the boys down in Christchurch, Bits and Pieces, Anton and Dal.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Cars and Vissel, Wellington.
Colours and Napier. Much love, thank you. Thank you very much. Napier.
Remember the competition we're running? Do a 30-second ID for Wrekognize.
Yeah,
Send it in here. The address will appear somewhere. And we need more letters and more information about the hip-hop happenings in your hood.
Yeah.
So
so
contact
we can
us.
come down.
Yeah,
We
So
will
you
come
better
down.
behave.
Expand.
Later, we out of here. Thanks to AD and G and all that.
No time.
Papa Toe.
How many real hip-hoppers? How many